Guys, so today I am bringing you a nothing over $10 makeup tutorial, and I did a beautiful golden bronze eyeshadow look with a brown lip. I really love this. It feels so fall and I'm just really happy with it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my Profusion pigment base eyeshadow primer in the shade Neutral to prime my eyelids. For my eyeshadow palette today, I'm using the LA Girl Keep It Playful eyeshadow palette in the shade Foreplay. And this is the Foreplay one, and I'm using this nude shade up here to set my inner corner to brow bone. I'm going to do like a really intense cut crease today. I'm going to use the this warm brown right here on the AOA Studio E129 brush. Hi baby. And just blend that in my crease. It's like a super duper warm brown shade. Ooh, this is a nice crease brush. It fits really nicely in the crease. I'm gonna go into this darkest brown in the palette right here. And I'm using my Morphe JH43 brush. And I'm just taking that brown on the brush and going right in the tightest part of the crease, like right here, and just kind of almost stamping it along there. And I'm not bringing it up too high, I'm just keeping it right there. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M421 brush and this shade right here. It's a little bit darker than the first shade we used, and I'm just going to blend out that brown. Just re-intensify that dark brown one more time. I go into this gold right here, and I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush. I'm going to spray my brush with my NYX Bear With Me spray, and just use that to carve out the crease. And I'm also just going to take that same shade with my finger and just apply it with my finger because it makes it even more intense. And I like to go back in with the dark brown and just re-intensify that brown around the gold. And that is the eyes all done. And I'm gonna move on to my face makeup now. So I'm using my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams Putty Primer. Just to prime my face. And then I'm gonna use my foundation. I'm gonna use the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing Foundation. And then I'm just blending that out with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. And then for concealer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Just using that, whoa! I'm just using that on my under eyes and on any spots. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm just pressing that down to set my face. And then I'm going to use my, I'm going to do bronzer. I'm going to use my Maybelline City Bronzer and bronze my face with that. And I'm using that with my Morphe JH02 brush. It's just a really nice warm tone bronzer just to match all of the warm tones. And for blush, I'm using the Essence The Blush in the shade Bespoke. It's just a really nice warm toned blush. And I'm using my Morphe JH04 brush with that. For highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. It's just a really nice, like, white golden shade. And I'm using my Ducare highlighting brush with that highlighter. I'm gonna take that highlighter and put it in my inner corner. I'm gonna use my NYX Bear With Me spray again to set my face, and this is not the Wet n Wild Cocoa, it's the NYX Bear With Me spray, but I like the sprayer on these better because it's more of a finer mist than the one, at least the one that I had of the NYX Bear With Me. So yeah, I'm just gonna set my face with this. And now I'm just filling in my brows with my e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush. And I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow stick in the shade Sweet Cream as an eyeliner for my waterline. And then I'm just going to do a coat of my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm just going to apply my Kiss, I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue liner in black and just do a thin line on my upper lash line, and then apply my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. Don't ask me what's going on with this lash because I don't know. For some reason the ends are going straight out and I can't fix them, and they're my last pair. So, but these ones look nice, so whatever, I guess. Then now I'm gonna finish off the look with my lips. I'm gonna do a nice brown, I'm gonna do some nice brown lips to tie this all together. I'm gonna use my NYX lip pencil in the shade Nutmeg and just line my lips with that. So I lined and filled them in, and then I'm going to use my Milani lipstick in the shade Desire. Nice brown shade. It's not too dark, like it's not a really dark chocolate brown, but it's close. And it's a little more warm toned. So this is the completed makeup look right here. It's like a beautiful bronzy gold with like a brown. I really love it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.